Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best knee heating massager. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Multifunctional design. The best knee heating massager features a multifunctional design as a 3-in-1 device that effectively serves as a knee pad, shoulder pad, and elbow pad. This versatility allows it to adapt to various situations, making it perfect for use at the office, during study sessions, while on long drives, or even when engaging in sports and walking. Whether you're seeking relief from muscle tension after a workout or need comfort during long hours of sitting, this device provides targeted support, ensuring you can enjoy its benefits in any setting. 3-speed heat therapy. The best knee heating massager features 3 adjustable heat settings: 45 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, and 65 degrees Celsius, allowing users to tailor their experience to their individual comfort levels. This customizable heat therapy penetrates deeply into the muscles, effectively alleviating pain and stiffness. Whether you prefer a gentle warmth or a more intense heat, the adjustable settings ensure that you can find the perfect level of relief. This targeted approach makes it an ideal choice for those seeking soothing comfort after a long day or post-exercise recovery, promoting relaxation and overall well-being. Vibration massage. The best knee heating massager offers an exceptional vibration massage feature, providing 3 adjustable levels to enhance your relaxation experience. This dual functionality, combined with its heating capabilities, effectively alleviates muscle aches and pains, reduces fatigue, and promotes better blood circulation. By delivering soothing vibrations, the massager helps relax the body, making it an ideal choice for post-exercise recovery. Whether you're unwinding after a workout or simply seeking relief from daily stress, this innovative device ensures you feel rejuvenated and revitalized after every use. Secure fit. The design of the heating pad allows it to wrap and lock around any leg or arm joints that require treatment. This secure fit ensures that the device stays in place during use, eliminating the need for manual holding and allowing you to engage in other activities while receiving a massage. Rechargeable battery. Equipped with a high-capacity 4000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, this knee pad supports wireless operation, meaning you can enjoy a comfortable massage anytime and anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. This feature is particularly convenient for those with busy lifestyles. Compact and lightweight. The best knee heating massager is designed with portability in mind, weighing only 417 grams. This compact and lightweight construction makes it incredibly easy to carry, allowing you to take it wherever you go. Whether you're at the office, traveling, or relaxing at home, this massager ensures you can enjoy comfort without the burden of excess weight. Its convenient design means you can seamlessly incorporate it into your daily routine, providing soothing relief whenever you need it without feeling weighed down. Enjoy the benefits of targeted therapy anytime, anywhere. Pros. The best knee heating massager boasts several impressive advantages, making it an appealing choice for users seeking comfort and relief. Its 3-in-1 design allows for versatility, enabling it to effectively treat multiple body parts, including the knees, elbows, and shoulders, which broadens its therapeutic applications. Users can enjoy customizable comfort with adjustable heat and vibration settings, tailoring their experience to address specific conditions and needs. The wraparound design ensures a secure fit, allowing users to move freely without worrying about the device slipping off. Moreover, the rechargeable battery adds wireless convenience, promoting mobility for use in various settings, whether at home, work, or on the go. Lastly, the efficient heat therapy penetrates deeply, providing effective relief from muscle soreness while promoting relaxation and overall well-being. Cons. Despite its many benefits, the best knee heating massager has some notable drawbacks. One significant issue is its limited size range. While the adjustable fit is advantageous, it may not accommodate all body sizes comfortably, which can result in a less effective massage for larger individuals. Additionally, the vibration intensity may fall short for some users, particularly those accustomed to more powerful massagers. The heat duration can also be disappointing, as the warming effect might not last as long as anticipated, requiring users to frequently adjust settings during extended use for optimal comfort. Lastly, while the charging time is relatively quick, some users might prefer a longer battery life or faster charging options to ensure the device is always ready for prolonged use. These limitations could impact the overall satisfaction for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The Best Knee Heating Massager is an outstanding accessory for anyone looking to alleviate muscle aches, fatigue, and joint pain. Its versatile 3-in-1 design makes it suitable for multiple body parts, while the adjustable heat and vibration settings allow for a customizable and soothing experience. The secure fit ensures that you can continue with daily activities while enjoying its benefits, and the rechargeable battery adds convenience for use on the go. However, some limitations exist, such as the potential size constraints and vibration intensity that might not meet every user's needs. Overall, this knee heating massager shines in its affordability and effectiveness, making it an ideal choice for everyday users seeking to enhance their comfort and recovery routine without breaking the bank. If you're interested in trying out the Best Knee Heating Massager, check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more in-depth product reviews and tech updates.